The incredible history of glass. From ancient origins to modern marvels. Introduction to glass. Imagine the everyday conveniences we often take for granted. Sunlight streaming through a window, the intricate details revealed under a microscope, or the distant stars brought closer by a telescope. All of these are possible because of one remarkable invention: glass. This unassuming material has been at the heart of human progress, unlocking new possibilities across art, science, and technology. What makes glass so extraordinary is its combination of simplicity and versatility. It starts with a few basic ingredients: sand, soda ash, and limestone, yet transforms into a material that can be shaped, strengthened, and endlessly reused. Over the centuries, this seemingly simple invention has evolved into a cornerstone of modern life. It surrounds us in ways we might not even notice, from the screens of our smartphones to the towering facades of city skyscrapers. But glass isn't just about function, it has a kind of magic to it. Transparent, yet strong, delicate, yet durable, it captures light, color, and even imagination. It has fueled creativity for artists, inspired breakthroughs for scientists, and become a tool for communication and exploration. Each piece of glass tells a story, reflecting centuries of human curiosity and craftsmanship. From the sands of ancient deserts to the cutting-edge labs of today, the journey of glass is a fascinating one, filled with accidental discoveries, ingenious innovations, and a continual drive to see the world in new ways. It's a material that connects the past, present, and future in ways that are nothing short of extraordinary. Origins of glass. The tale of glass begins over 4,000 years ago in the ancient lands of Mesopotamia and Egypt, where early glass wasn't the clear material we know today. Instead, it had a cloudy, jewel-like quality, and was primarily crafted into beads and ornaments that adorned the people of the time. But this discovery was likely a happy accident. Imagine sand mixing with ash near the intense heat of a fire, melting into a glossy, solid substance. This unexpected transformation marked the start of humanity's relationship with glass. By around 1000 BCE, artisans in Egypt and Syria began to experiment with shaping and molding glass intentionally. Using rudimentary tools and techniques, they created small vessels and decorative pieces, each one a testament to the craftsmanship of the time. The fiery furnaces where these artisans worked were the birthplace of a material that would one day become indispensable. This period of experimentation wasn't just about making beautiful objects, it was about laying the groundwork for future innovation. These early efforts helped develop techniques that would later evolve into more sophisticated glass-making methods. Even at this early stage, glass carried an air of mystery and intrigue, its shimmering surface captivating those who beheld it. Glass in the ancient world. When the Romans adopted glassmaking, they elevated it from a niche craft to an essential industry. By perfecting the technique of glassblowing, they made it possible to produce glass items quickly and affordably, revolutionizing access to this versatile material. For the first time, glass wasn't just for the elite, it found its way into everyday life, with households using glass cups, jars, and even rudimentary windows. But the Romans didn't stop at practicality. They embraced the artistic potential of glass as well. Craftsmen experimented with vibrant colors and intricate designs, incorporating materials like antimony and lead to produce striking opaque yellows, or adding copper to achieve rich blues and greens, and copper to enhance the natural aqua shade, producing stunning blue and green hues. Mosaics and decorative works made with these innovations were a testament to their creativity and skill. Glass also became a valuable trade good, spreading throughout the Roman Empire and beyond. Coastal furnaces turned out pieces that traveled vast distances, connecting Europe, North Africa, and parts of Asia in a thriving network of commerce. Broken glass wasn't discarded either. Recycling was so common that Roman writers like Statius and Martial noted the scarcity of large glass fragments at domestic sites, reflecting the culture's commitment to reuse. This forward-thinking practice ensured that glass remained accessible and sustainable even in ancient times. The Roman Empire's impact on glassmaking was unparalleled, laying the foundation for its evolution into the indispensable material we rely on today. From the bustling markets to the grand villas of the empire, glass was more than a tool. It was a symbol of ingenuity and innovation that still resonates. Glass and scientific discoveries. Glass has been a silent partner in some of humanity's greatest scientific breakthroughs. During the 17th century, it became the foundation for tools that expanded our understanding of both the cosmos and the microscopic world. By shaping and refining lenses from glass, inventors created instruments that allowed us to see far beyond what the naked eye could comprehend. The telescope, for instance, opened up the skies to astronomers like Galileo, who was able to map stars, planets, and moons in stunning detail. Meanwhile, the microscope revealed an entirely new universe, unveiling microorganisms and cellular structures that had been hidden in plain sight. Glass didn't just help scientists observe, it helped them experiment and innovate. Its unique properties made it the perfect material for laboratory equipment, from flasks to test tubes, providing a stable, inert environment for chemical reactions. Over time, even the appearance of ancient glass itself became a subject of study. Roman glass, for example, underwent physical changes over centuries, forming rhythmic silica nanolayers that gave it a shimmering golden patina. This phenomenon, known as the photonic crystal effect, continues to intrigue researchers and showcases how glass evolves and interacts with its environment in ways we're still uncovering. The adaptability of glass has ensured its place at the center of scientific progress, from early breakthroughs to modern innovations. It has been instrumental in building technologies that allow us to see the previously invisible and understand the seemingly incomprehensible, making it one of humanity's most valuable tools for discovery. Glass in modern life. In today's world, glass is an unsung hero, seamlessly woven into the fabric of daily life. Look around, and you'll see its influence everywhere, from the sleek smartphone in your hand to the towering skyscrapers that define our cities. Its combination of transparency, durability, and versatility makes it indispensable across countless industries. One of glass's most exciting roles lies in modern technology. Take fiber optics, for instance. Glass threads thinner than a human hair that transmit data at lightning-fast speeds, powering the internet and global communication networks. Then there's the role of glass in renewable energy. Solar panels, designed to capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, rely on specialized glass to maximize efficiency and withstand harsh environmental conditions. Without these advancements, the transition to greener energy solutions would be far more challenging. In the realm of healthcare, glass proves equally invaluable. From precision-engineered syringes to advanced laboratory equipment, it's essential in ensuring safety and accuracy. Glass's non-reactive properties make it ideal for storing vaccines and medications, playing a critical part in modern medicine. It's even used in cutting-edge medical technologies, like bioglass implants that help regenerate bone tissue. Architects and designers, too, are pushing the boundaries of what glass can do. Innovations like smart glass, capable of switching from clear to opaque with a flick of a switch, are reshaping how we interact with spaces, offering energy efficiency and privacy on demand. In cars and public transport, glass not only enhances safety and visibility, but also integrates features like embedded solar cells and heads-up displays. Conclusion: glass is more than just a material, it's a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. From its humble beginnings as an accidental discovery to its role in groundbreaking scientific advancements, glass has continually pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Its unique properties, like transparency and strength, have made it a trusted companion in art, science, technology, and everyday life. Through the centuries, glass has evolved alongside humanity. It started as decorative beads and vessels, became a global trade commodity, and eventually transformed into a tool for exploring the microscopic world and distant galaxies. Its journey reflects our endless curiosity and drive to innovate. With each era, glass has found new ways to contribute, whether by helping early civilizations trade and connect, supporting scientific pioneers, or serving as a cornerstone of today's cutting-edge technologies. Looking ahead, glass's potential seems limitless. As we face challenges like climate change and the demand for sustainable solutions, glass continues to rise to the occasion, enabling advancements in renewable energy, telecommunications, and medical science. Its ability to adapt to new needs while maintaining its timeless qualities makes it a material that bridges the past, present, and future.